So I wanted to make this short video about how Thinglink meets Nearpod. And there are so many cool things in the Thinglink. It actually just merged with Canva so that you can actually pull your Canva images into Thinglink. So I just want to give you a quick overview about how this works. So I have logged into my Thinglink account already, and I am going to go click Create. So I'm just going to show you how you can integrate this into a Canva illustration. So I'm just going to click on Image, and I'm going to press Continue. And I will go to Upload. I'm going to upload an image. So you can upload an image you already have, and to create interactive links, videos, text. There are a couple things you can integrate with Thinglink. But for the illustration of this video, I'm just going to click on Design with Canva. Automatically, it's going to take you to some templates that are already in Canva. So you can choose a template. You could go to Lesson Plan, click on it. It will automatically allow you to start making edits to it, and then you can save it to your Thinglink if you want to use something that they already have. This is taking a few moments to load. There are a couple different options here that I can create my lesson plan with interactive Nearpod links in it, or any other resource I would like my students to have in one easy place. But I've already created a template, so I'm going to show you how do you go to your own. So I'm going to go back to Upload. I'm going to click Design with Canva, and then this button right here that says Create a Blank One will allow you to gain access to your account. So I'm going to say Create Design. And then with this, I can actually go to things that I've already created in Canva. So I will go down to Folders, click on Folders, and I would just click All My Designs. And then I would find the one that I would want to use. And then I could also edit it right here and now. But I've already put one in Thinglink, but I just wanted to kind of take you through the steps of how you can have your own designs and just quickly bring them over and then save to Thinglink to add some hyperlinks. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to close this though, and I'm going to go to the one I created earlier today. So I love making it easy to differentiate my lessons or to have exploration opportunities within my Nearpod lessons. So this particular learning goal, always start with a learning goal so students know, even though they're doing this differentiated activity, this is where we are trying to go. So this is a math lesson for 8th graders. I can find the unknown angle measure in a triangle. They got a couple options. Choose your path. So I just did a check for understanding within my Nearpod. They got some feedback. Now this would be the next slide in my Nearpod lesson, and they can choose to review, practice, or challenge. And I always like to put a quote or to put some type of image just to make it a little more interactive. Now, okay, all I have now is an image. How can I make this better? Well, I'm going to make it better by clicking the edit button here at the top. And when I edit it, now I can add tags. And a tag is basically an interactive feature. So I'm going to click Add Tag, and I'm going to say Add Text and Media. So I can choose my icon. I just try to choose something simple. So for this one, I am just going to choose the play button. And then I have different colors I can choose. So I'm going to choose green, and I can give this a title, Review. Triangles. And then if I want to, I can add a description. So if students come here, they can see a description, plus the description can be read to them using Immersive Reader, because Immersive Reader is already integrated. You can see it right here into the Thinglink also. And then I would have my hyperlink. Well, where is my hyperlink for my review triangles? Well, I'm going to get that from my Nearpod. I've already created 3 different mini lessons that wouldn't take more than 10 minutes. And I just put it on a Word document to make it easier for me to copy and paste it over. I talk a little bit more about this in my course, Creating Engaging Lessons with Nearpod. where I really walk you step by step on how to differentiate each of those lessons. And then you can give it a title, and you could just say review lesson. And if you want to, you can add another image. So the image would show here on the left. Or if you had a video from YouTube, or no, actually not a video from YouTube, you would have to upload your custom video here. But that button on the left where it says image plus video would be there. And you can even add audio. So you could put more instructions so the students know exactly what this lesson's about, what they're required to do, and so forth. And then I'm just going to say done. And this is my Thinklink. Now I can move it over to review. And then I'm going to do the same thing for practice. I'm going to add my media. I'm going to choose my icon. I'm just going to kind of stay within the same realm. This is my practice lesson. And then I'm going to go and get my link for practice from the Nearpod lesson I already created. And go back, and then I'm going to put that hyperlink there, and I'm just going to call this my practice lesson. We try to keep things simple first, especially when you're doing new things. And then I'm going to say done. And then I'm going to take that hyperlink here, and then I'm going to do the same thing for challenge. Add text and media. Find my icon. This is my challenge lesson. I'm going to go get my hyperlink from my Word document. And these are all self-paced lessons I've done so that students can do this either in my class, if I'm in a physical class, or virtually. I'm giving them 10 or 15 minutes to work on it, while maybe I pull some students in a breakout room and work with them one-on-one. And then I'm finished. I'm going to say done. And then I'm going to take this here. So now I am done with my Thinklink. And you can preview it by clicking, not this is the privacy button, but privacy button actually, please make sure you say, right now it says my organization, but I want to share this. So if I want to share this with the world, I can say public, or I can say unlisted if you don't want anyone to find it. So you have those two options. Usually I like unlisted if I don't want anybody else to have it. And then once I have it, and I've changed my privacy settings, it's very important, I'm going to click on share. And I'm going to get a link, share link. So I usually like to hide the interface so I can only see the Thinklink itself. And I'm going to say copy. And now I'm going to integrate this Thinklink into my Nearpod. So I have a Nearpod lesson here already open that I've been working on. And I have my first little introductory slide. And now I'm going to add this interactive Thinklink. It is considered content, and it would be under web content. So I'm going to click on web content, and I'm just going to copy and paste. And you can test the link just to make sure it's showing up, but I'm going to preview it to show you how it would look. So I'm going to say save. And I'm going to say save and exit, or I can click on preview. Let's just click on preview. All right, so when my students come, they're going to see this beautiful image. They're going to see the learning goal, and they're going to be able to click on this icon and review the lesson. And it's going to open up a new Nearpod lesson right within the Thinklink. Yeah, a lot of us have used Google Slides or even Google Docs to create these differentiated lessons. But I just find it so powerful, the fact that you can create this using Canva, easily make any edits, and then put the immersive reader along with whatever text you want to add. This is going to be a powerful, powerful complement to the power tool of Nearpod already. So I hope this has helped you, and I hope that you'll use Thinklink in your class soon. Have a great day.